Welcome to the MS Excel training. Today we are learning about Excel function topic. First, let us try to understand what is a function. So function is a built-in formula which is used to perform the specific task. Let us try to understand the syntax of the function. In Excel, we always write the function starting with the equal to sign, followed by the function name and the parameter list. So whatever the parameters we give within the square bracket is the optional parameter. Now, let us study about the types of functions. So we have 6 categories of functions are there in Excel. Math function, statistical function, logical function, text function, datetime function, and lookup function. Today's session, so we will study about the basic function. So what are the basic function we have? So we have the functions like sum, it used to find the total, average, calculates the average, max, finds the highest value, min, finds the least value, count, counts the number of items. So let me give a demo on these functions. So how to type the function? Already you can see the data is prepared and you need to type the equal to sign. First, type first 2 to 3 letters in the function name. A list, drop-down list will appear on the Excel sheet with the function name. Select the right function and press the tab key. And then you select all the values starting from the cell D3 to D8. The range of value which you want to add need to be selected. So this then press enter. So this will display the sum of all the salary value. So how you are working with sum? Similarly, you try the average, select the range like this, close the bracket, press enter. Then max function. Max will return the highest value. You need to select all the values. Then it returns the highest value. Out of all these numbers, highest value is 8,000. So it returns 8,000. Then you have the min function. So min function will return the minimum value or the least value. And then you have the count function. So the count function will return the count of all the given values. So hope you have understood all these functions, basic functions. Thank you.